Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Cruze LS, stock number Z7439X. Only 15,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, Summit White in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice sized trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 15,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a spacious materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and the city average of 35 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7439X to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.